Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to show you the differences between using large ice and also smaller pieces of ice in your coffee drinks. We are going to make 2 iced latte and find out which one is better. Before we continue, click that subscribe button. To compare, I'm going to use 12 ounces cups here, and I'm going to pour 2 double shots of espresso. I'm going to use 18 grams of coffee beans in and a yield of 45 grams of espresso out. So now I have 2 double shots of espresso here, and my recipe is a combination of milk and sugar syrups. Okay, let's start with the first cup. In this one, I'm going to use large cubes of ice. I can only use about 2 large cubes here. I'm going to add my milk of choice. It could be a milk syrup, a combination of condensed milk and evaporated milk. Sugar syrup, this is optional of course. Stir. Pour the espresso shot over. With large cube of ice, you can pour it right on top of that ice cubes. And you've got this deliciously looking iced latte. For our second cup, we are going to use smaller cubes of ice, our optional sugar syrup, milk, stir, and pour these espresso shots over. So this is the drink where I used the smaller ice cube. You can see the layering here. And this is the one that I used large ice cubes. It is easier to prepare because all you have to do is to put 2 large ice cubes in this cup size, which is 12 ounces. And you'll also get the layering here. Now, you can use either one depending on the ice maker that you are using. For those that are using simple freezer and they use those large ice cubes, this is perfect. But once you have a lot of customers, you will probably run out of ice. And if you are using an automatic ice maker like the ones I used here, they make really small cubes here, which is perfect as well. I was using large ice cubes at the beginning of my matcha and coffee bar, but then we decided to change back to using smaller ice cubes. And the main reason for that is not because it is a lot easier to make those smaller ice cubes with a proper ice maker, but because some customers actually complain when they get their drinks and you put your straw in here, it is very hard for them to stir it because it blocks, the ice is blocking the straw. Whereas if you use smaller ice cubes, all you have to do is to stick the straw in, and then you can stir it a lot easier. It is very important that the customers do stir their drinks, otherwise it won't be blended properly. So now you see the difference here. Smaller ice cubes makes it easier for your customers to stir the drink, whereas large ice cubes, although it looks absolutely perfect and Instagram, TikTok friendly, but when the customers get it, it's harder for them to stir the drink in. Now what about the taste? It should taste the same, but the larger ice cube tends to get colder slower. So there you go. When I had this one, it is already very cold because it is kind of like melted with the drink, whereas this one is a slow melting ice. So in terms of taste, this is more satisfying as well because it hits you right away, the cold iced latte. Anyway, take your pick, large ice cubes or smaller ice cubes. For more cafe tips, subscribe and also click that notification bell. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.